Hey, how's it going, guys? So this is gonna be a very fun video because I'm gonna show you guys how to do a automated milk frothing on the Gaggia Classic. This model over here is Gaggia Classic Pro Evo. Okay, so the one with Teflon coated boiler or whatever, but this method should apply to all the Gaggia Classic series. Okay, it's really quite simple, and I don't know, or I don't think if anyone else has ever tried this, but it made my milk frothing experience quite a lot more fun, and also semi-automated. Okay, so basically I have a jug of milk here. It's about 10 ounces of milk, and my steamer is right here. And basically what it does is kind of just using a pivot point to hold the pitcher somewhere here. So when it starts to frothing, it locks in place. So I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so all you have to do is get this in here, and you're going to align this and just turn it on. And once it's turned on, the volume starts to rise. When it rises to a certain point, right, you can just leave it here. And you can do some other things for maybe around 30 seconds or so. You come back and just check on the temperature of the frothing. Okay. And it's really quite easy. And it's going to froth itself for about, now it's already pretty hot. And I would say, I can turn it off now. Right? So it's done. And obviously you see there are a lot of bubbles, big bubbles, but just tap a few times, turn around a few times, tap, turn. And that's pretty much how you get rid of the big bubbles. The big bubble doesn't mean your frothing is bad. It's just, the frothing, the steam was pretty violent, so it's produced some big bubbles. And you can see, nice and creamy, and it didn't take more than 45 seconds. I already have my espresso made, so I'm just gonna pop this in here. Let it sit for a little bit because I want the full fat and, the flavor to go in there. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna clean the rod, the steaming wand, and release it a little bit. And that's pretty much it. Okay, that's how you do a automated frothing, right? Super easy, and looks nice and creamy, right? I'm gonna release the steam, and now we just pour it in here and take a look. Look at that, quite nice, right? And it holds its volume, so it's a pretty nice frost. So that is how you do a quick semi-automated milk frothing on the Gaggia Classic. I hope you guys found this exploratory video fun, and if you did, please do hit the like button and try to use this method and let me know how well it works. So the trick is for the first part, if your milk is not tall enough for the wand to automatically dig in there, you just hold it for maybe 5 seconds, and once the volume starts to rise, you don't have to do anything, you just leave it there. If you have more milk, you don't have to do the initial stage. You can just leave it there. Once the tip fully touches the milk, just set it and go for about 30-45 seconds, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.